Installation tutorial. First, remove the screws on the side and install the handle bracket. Then insert the 7 handle brackets on the other side directly into the slots. Align the interface arrow of the high-pressure atomized handle with the groove position of the socket and insert it directly, and placed on the side bracket. The interface arrow of the foam clean handle is also aligned with the groove position of the socket and inserted directly, and then placed on the handle bracket on the other side. Insert the interface arrow of the Hydra facial handle in the same way and place it on the handle bracket. Place the interface groove of the scrubber handle upward, insert it into the corresponding socket, and tighten the nut, then place it on the handle bracket. Insert the interface groove of the ultrasonic handle upward into the corresponding socket, tighten the nut, and place it on the handle bracket. Insert the EMS microcurrent handle in the same way, tighten the nut, and place it on the handle bracket. Insert the RF handle in the same way, tighten the nut, and place it on the handle bracket. Insert the plasma handle in the same way, tighten the nut, and place it on the handle bracket. Note, when removing the tube, need to wrap your hands around the plug, pinch both sides, and push toward your palm, then remove it at the same time. Do not pull the tube directly. It is recommended that after connection, it is generally not necessary to plug and unplug frequently except for transportation. Insert the bottle hanging rod into the interface and rotate the screw to fix it. Put the solution bottle with the hanging net. Insert the tip of the catheter into the solution bottle, then place it firmly on the hanging rod. Insert the other end of the catheter into the connection port on the high-pressure atomized handle. For the quantitative bottle input method, just unplug the catheter and replace it with the quantitative bottle. In the middle is the power cord interface and the power switch, and below is the wastewater bottle. Regularly observe the amount of wastewater, empty, and clean it up in time. Bottle A, B, C are filled with bubble liquid, cleaning liquid, and nutrient solution respectively, and screwed back into the inner groove of the interface. Operational tutorial. Turn on the power switch and click to enter the function selection interface. Ensure that the bottle A is filled with bubble solution and pick up the foam cleansing handle. Click on the corresponding icon to enter and select the bubble speed as needed. Press the handle button to start and cover the whole face. After pausing, manually massage and clean, and then wipe clean the face. Before using the scrubber, can hot spray and apply blackhead extraction liquid firstly to open the pores. Default M1 is continuous mode. M2, M3 is intermittent mode. Select the required intensity and press to start the operation. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle. Select the appropriate suction head and install it to the Hydra facial handle. Click to select the cleansing solution. The red knob below the screen is used to adjust the water output. The more turn counterclockwise, the greater the water output. The left knob is used to adjust the suction. The more turn clockwise, the greater the suction. Press the handle button to start the operation. Use the stamped and sliding lifting method. Be careful not to slide too long to avoid redness from suction. You can also pause during the process to adjust the appropriate suction and water output. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle. After the solution bottle is installed and connected to the high-pressure atomized handle, Long press product to add liquid. Stop filling the liquid until the liquid flows out of the nozzle of the atomized handle. The handle is synchronized with the interface parameter settings. D is dose adjustment, S is mode selection. The automatic mode is divided into 4 intermittent modes, M1, M2, M3, and M4. The continuous mode M5 is a long spray mode, which can be selected according to actual needs. Run button to start or pause work. You can also pause during the operation to adjust the appropriate output dose of liquid and the appropriate air pressure with the knob above. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle. Another quantitative method is to put the diluted essence solution into a 7 megaliters container bottle. Remove the catheter and replace it with the fluid bottle. It also operates in the same product filling and working mode. Ultrasonic function M1 is continuous mode, M2, M3 is intermittent mode. After selecting the appropriate intensity and mode, start the operation. Slowly follow the contour of the affected area and make circles or pull up from bottom to top. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle. EMS microcurrent function M1 is continuous mode. M2, M3 is intermittent mode. After selecting the appropriate intensity and mode, start the operation. Slowly pull up along the contour of the affected area from bottom to top. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle. RF function. Select the appropriate intensity and start the operation. Make circular motions along the lines of the entire face, or slowly do a lifting operation from bottom to top. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle. Plasma function. Select the appropriate intensity and start the operation. Wipe the skin clean and keep it dry. When operating, it needs to be vertical 90. Keep a distance of 2 to 3 centimeters from the skin and feel a slight electrical stimulation. Operation completed. Press the pause button on the handle.